Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the final regular Sudoku, aka Sudoku. So let's get started. Alright, I see here a big square with only one sharing box with another big square. This big square has two sharing boxes with another big square. Here also a 2, here 2, this is one sharing box. So let's get started with this one. Alright, 10 plus 15 is 26. 10 plus 15 is 25. 25 plus 6 is 31. 31 plus 11 is 42, is equal to 42, and you know the total sum of a big square is always 45, or a column, the total sum of a column is always 45, or a row is always 45, the total sum. So 45 minus 43, I believe. No. 42, that means this should be a 3. And the combination here in the box of 9 will be 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. We continue with this big square. 6 plus 14 is equal to 20. 13 plus 3 is equal to 16. 16 plus 20 is 36. 36. That means this box should be a 9. 9 plus 36 is equal to 45. So this must be a 9. In the box of 15 will be 9 plus 6 is equal to 15. We have a 6 here in this big square. 6 plus 14 is 20. 5 plus 17 is equal to 22. Plus 20 is 42. 42, that means this must be a 3. 42 plus 3 is equal to 45. The combination in this box of 7 will be 3 plus 4. We have 7 plus 22 is 29, equal to 29, plus 9 is equal to 38. 38 plus 4 is equal to 42. 42, that means this should be a 3. 42 plus 3 is equal to 45. Here in the box of 8 will be 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. I see here in this row one box is sharing. So if I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. 6 plus 8 is 14, plus 9 is 23. 23 plus 13 is equal to 36. 36, that means this should be a 9. 14, 23, 36, yes. The 9 in this triple box of 12, that means I need a 3 in those two boxes together. So 1 and 3 only combination, 1 and 2. Then this box of 13 in this row, I cannot use, can I use the 6 and the 7? Yes, the 8 and the 5. The 8 and the 5, I cannot use the 8 and the 5 8 plus 5 is 13, equal to 13, but the 5 is already used. So this should be a 7 and a 6, 7 and a 6. We have two boxes left in this row, the box of 6 and the box of 9. The box of 9 should be the 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. And the other box of 6 should be 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4. We have here also a box of 4. This should be 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3. Then do we have a box of 17. The only combination of box of 17 is 9 plus 8. We have a 9 there, so no 9 here. 9 plus 9 goes there and the 8 goes here. We have a box of 16. The only combination for 16 is 9 plus 7. We have a 9 here, so no 9 here. 9 should be there and the 7 goes here. We have two boxes of 15. I cannot use the 9 in this box, so the 9 should be there. The combinations for the box of 15 should be 9 plus 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 here, 6 should be here. The 9 goes there. The other box of 15 should be 7 plus 8 is equal to 15. Then we have two combinations in the box of 5, 1 plus 4 or 3 plus 2. We have already a 3 there, so that combination cannot be used. 2 plus 3, so it must be 1 plus 4. The 1 I have in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. The 4 goes there. We have a 4 there, so no 4 here. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then we have a box of 3. The only combination for the 3 is 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1. These two boxes together should be a 10. Because 10 plus 4 will be 14. So we have a box of 10 and a box of 13. The 8, I cannot put the 8 of this big square, the 8 in one of those two boxes. Because otherwise 8 plus 2, the 2 is already used. 8 should be in a box of 13 and the combination will be 8 plus 5. And the other two boxes will be a 7 and 3. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 7 goes there. The 7, the 3. The 3 should be here. You see we have a 3 there, 3 there. Here the 1, no, the 1 and 2 are already used. The 3, do we have a 3, 4, the 4 in this row, 4 in the third row, so in the row between, the only combination for the 4 should be here. The box of 7 should be the combination 4 plus 3. Those two boxes left for this big square for the numbers 8 and 5. 8 and 5, 8 and 5, 8. I do not know which box, but the 8 we have here in one of those boxes, so here cannot be an 8. This should be a 7. This should be an 8. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Then we have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 8 goes there. These two boxes together should be 16. 16, that means 9 plus 5. We have a 9 there, so 9 cannot be in this box. 9 should be here, and the 16, 9 and 7, 9 and 7, 7 is missing, yes. And the final two numbers of this big square for the numbers 2 and 5, we have a 2 in this row, second row, so the 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there, 5 should be here, the 8 goes there. Two numbers left in this column for the numbers 9 and 5. I do not know which place. Here, two numbers left in this column for the numbers 1 and 4. These three numbers are 7, 2, and 8. 8 is missing. Yes. Yes, we have an 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only two places for an 8 should be in the box of 9. I cannot put it in the box of 6. So it's 8 plus 1, 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1. These two boxes of the first column, the missing numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, and 5 and 6, I believe. 5 and 6. 5 plus 6 is 11. That means this box should be a 2. Two boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3. The 3 is missing. The 3 cannot be in the box of 6, otherwise double 3. 3 should be here, and the other is the 4. Here the combination will be 4 plus 2. Here 3 plus 6. Then we have 3 missing numbers. The 3, the 5 is missing. We have a 5 here, so no 5 in those two boxes. So the 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. This 8. This should be a 7. Then two numbers left in the last row for the numbers 9 and 2. 9 and 2. 3, the 4. We have a 4 here, so no 4 in these two boxes. The 4 cannot be in the box of 15. So the 4 should be here. 6 plus 4. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. The 15 should be the 8 because the 9 is already used. 7 and 8. We have a 7 there, no 7 here. 7 should be there, and the 8 goes there. And this should be 1 plus 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be there, and the 6 goes there. We have an 8 here, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Here the combination will be in the box of 9. 5 plus 4. Here the combination 8 plus 5. Alright. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. The 8 goes there. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. The 9 goes there. The 9 should be 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So in the row between, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, here, or there. Here we have a 9, so it cannot be a 9. 9 should be here, those two boxes. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 2 and 6. Here cannot be a 6. There should be a 6 because we have a 6 there. 6. Here should be a 2. 8 and 7. 8 and 7. I cannot fill this yet. 6 plus 9 is 15. 15 plus 3. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Then we have in this big square the number 8. is missing. We have an 8 there, no 8 here. Here also an 8, no 8 there. Only place for the 8 should be here. Combination in the box of 10 will be 8 plus 2. Here the combination 8 for the box of 8, 1 and 7. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, 7 goes there, 2 numbers left. 7 and a 2. We have a 7 here, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and a 2 goes there. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there, 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. And we have a 9 here, no 9 there, 9 should be there, and a 2 goes here. And the final 2 numbers, 1 and a 2, we see here 1, so no 1 there, 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Finished in 15 minutes. Alright. Thank you for watching, and see you the next time. Bye bye.